Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIF's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National United English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, fill in the blanks. Okay, so please come to the board. Class Junior 1, subject English, topic fill in the blanks, term annual. Today's lecture is 5 and today's SW will be 3. So I will give SW at the end of the class. My name Ariful Islam and this is my mobile number. So my dear students, let's start the class. But before I start the class, I would like to let you know what is fill in the blanks. Okay, let me write a sentence. If I write, I love my mother. This is a sentence. And I love my mother. If I erase this word and give a dash there, fill in the blanks there. So what will be the answer? I love. Okay, so this is called fill in the blanks. Or if I erase this one, I love my dash. What will be the answer? Mother. So this is called fill in the blanks. So let's start the class. Fill in the blanks. Mother has a dash. If you read the Radiant Way book in your class, you will find that mother has a pen. So what is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. So mother has a pen. Spelling P-E-N, pen. Okay. Number 2, Sam's dash on the dog. So if you read the book again, you will find that Sam dash on the dog. So Sam sat on the dog. So answer will be sat. Sam sat on the dog. Sam sat on the dog. Next one. She is very dash. She is very happy. Happy spelling H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. She is very happy. Happy spelling H-A-P-P-Y. She is very happy. And Monos is playing dash. In the book we read that Monos is playing cricket. The answer will be cricket. Spelling cricket. C-R-I-C. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. So Monos is playing cricket. Spelling C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Next one. Sarah went to the dash. So where did Sarah go? Sarah went to the park. So we will write answer there. Sarah went to the park. So park is spelling P-A-R-K. Park. Sarah went to the park. Sarah went to the park. Spelling P-A-R-K. Park. So we will go to next one. There are flowers in the dash. So where we put the flowers, there are flowers in the dash. We put the flowers, we keep the flowers in the vase. The answer will be there are flowers in the vase. Spelling V-A-A-C, vase. So there are flowers in the vase because we keep the flowers in the vase. Spelling V-A-A-C, vase. Number 7. There are dash on the bookshelves. So in the bookshelves, what do we keep? In the bookshelf, what do we keep? Books. So there are books. There are books on the bookshelf because we keep the books in the bookshelf. Okay, next one. It is a dash little house. It is a dash little house. So the answer will be, it is a lovely little house. You have a lovely little house. So it is a lovely, spelling L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. It is a lovely little house. Lovely spelling L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Next one. Kazi Nazrul is our national dad. National dash. So who is Kazi Nazrul Islam? We know Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. So Kazi Nazrul is our national poet. Poet spelling P-O-E-T, poet. So Kazi Nazrul is our national poet, spelling P-O-E-T, poet. Next one, dash is our country. So we live in the country Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is our country. So here we will write Bangladesh. So do you know the spelling Bangladesh is a big one but easy. Okay, let us write Bangladesh. B-A-N-G, Bang. B-A-N-G, Bang, La. L-A, La. So Bangla. We know the spelling Bangla. B-A-N-G-L-A, Bangladesh. D-E-S-S, Bangladesh. So first write Bang, B-A-N-G, Bang, La, L-A, La, Desh, D-E-S-S, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is our country. So let's read that again. Fill in the blanks. This is question number 4. Mother has a pen. Sam dash on the dog. Sam sat on the dog. If I say, who sat on the dog? Sam sat on the dog. She is very happy. Manoj is playing cricket. Sarah went to the park. Next one. There are flowers in the vase, because we keep the flowers in the vase. There are books on the bookshelf, because we keep the books in the bookshelf. It is a lovely little house. Kazi Nazrul is our national poet, and Bangladesh is our country. Okay, I am repeating again. Mother has a pen. Sam sat on the dog. She is very happy. Manoj is playing cricket. Sarah went to the park. There are flowers in the vase. There are books on the bookshelf. It is a lovely little house. Kazi Nazrul is a national poet, and Bangladesh is our country. So I'm going to give you SW today. Why your SW is very important. Look at this mark. We have city mark 10, SB mark 10, total 20. So we are giving every SW 2 mark. We are giving every SW 2 mark. Each SW 2 mark. And 10, if you multiply 10 multiply 2, it will be 20. So that's why if you do not submit the SW, you will not get 2 marks of each SW. That's why it is very important. So today's SW 3, please mention when you are doing SW 3, submit on Sunday. Fill in the blanks 1 to 10. Fill in the blanks 1 to 10. So my dear students, do your assign SW at home. You know SW, why SW is very important, because we are giving SBS city and diary mark on the basis of the submission of the SW. Okay, and you can submit the SW on Sunday within 8 am to 2 pm in the school library, and also collect those copies on Sunday. And you know, your annual examination question will be set on the basis of the annual online classes. So watch the online classes very carefully. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. About parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.